one more quick one. Just going to show you real quick that we have disconnected the room core altogether, well, I mean, essentially, and I'm running the output of the first hairpin cap right over to here. So now all the 5 guys here are in parallel, and we're just discharging that into the Oudin. Okay, that's all we're doing. And then there's our light bulb, and here's another one hanging out there, and 2 more. And you saw how dim these were the last time. So first thing I'm going to show you is what happens when I turn it on now. Forgetting to look for the switch before I turn off the light. There it is. Look at that! Oh my, that's bright. Look at them guys. Look at that plasma coming up in here. It's even stronger now. Look at that. That's beautiful. Let me get this bulb out here so you can see a little better. Okay, now I'm going to put the secondary together of the Oudin so we can see it sparking and how best of a spark we can get. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Look at them guys go. I think this got even brighter. Now we don't have the plasma bulb top load. As you can see, we have a gap on the secondary of the Oudin approximately 1 inch wide, which would suggest 10K per centimeter being, I don't know, approximately 60, 80K. It's not arcing every time, but there is definitely some plasma fingers coming off of it. And then, as you notice, when the spark gap actually just does start to fluctuate and it disrupts poorly, that's beneficial here. So when I get to the point where it's breaking up a lot more, you can actually see that sparks will happen a lot easier across that 1 inch gap. Another interesting thing, look at these guys when I turn the system off. Let me get it real close. Oops. If you can see it again or not. It's not picking it up. That CFL bulb down there is still glowing. And I can pick it up, and it's still glowing. Oh, now it died. It was still glowing for just a few seconds there. Let me see if I can get it to go again. Oh, come on, spark gap. There we go. Ah! There we go. So, we light it up, get it charged, good and charged. We bring it away, and it's still, oh, I wish you could see this. It's still glowing. There is a reluctant phosphorescence going on here with this bulb. I charge it and I pull it away. I don't know how to get you to see this any better because it needs to be really dark. Oh, almost had it there. Let me see if I can do it with the other one down here. This one pulls away. No, that one doesn't seem to be doing it. Let me get it closer. Just a little bit, not as much as this one. This one's still tripping by itself down here. Let me light it up and bring it over here. You can see, yep, see it? Oh, just for a second there. It's still reluctant phosphorescence is happening here. Or luminescence of this gas. That's pretty neat. I have to test that out a little bit more. So we can get a shot of the plasma. Oh, there is no plasma. That's it because, just a second. There we go. Now we're seeing that these bulbs out of the way, so you can't see now. I'm making out just barely see a little bit of plasma there. So, to conclude, hairpin, flashlight, nowhere, yes, that's real quick. Hairpin, no room core, bad room core, electricity bad, go home, go to your room. Capacitor bank, discharge, Oudin, high voltage, potentially 50 to 60K minimum that we were seeing before when we were driving it with all that power from the battery, or before the hairpin 120 into the room core. Same setup as this really, but we were using that as the spark gap. Looks like we can generate the same amount of potential.